Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm your host Dr. Seema Jain, a SEBI registered research analyst. And before I really start, I want to tell you we do live trading every single day. Every single day we do live trading from 10 to 11. If you don't know how to, you need to come to my channel, which is Stock Pro, and you will get the link of next day. And the same link is going to work. We do live trading every single day. Join us and make good money. Today, I just want to show you which trade did I give. I gave Bajaj Finserv. I gave Bajaj Finserv, and this stock just took a good flight somewhere here when we were somewhere here. That's when I gave a call option, and look at the move. This stock has given almost like a move of about almost like 550 or 600 points move. Call option, which I gave at 227, went on to give about 350 points. So do join us and to trade in such beautiful trades. I gave a trade on Delta Corp also, which was in loss, but I told to hold it, and it finally gave profit. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to talk about Bank Nifty. I'm just wondering if you've watched my yesterday's video or not. This is the video that I made yesterday. If you have not watched it, please go and watch it. You will understand a lot. And one more video I would like you to watch. Right, the video that I'm talking about is it's on Nifty, Bank Nifty only. It's a Here is the Bank Nifty price action strategy. This is the one I'm talking about, right? I made this video 1 month back. I want you to watch these two videos. First, I'm talking about the one I made yesterday. Then I'm talking about the one I made 1 month back, price action strategy. Okay, so have a look at Bank Nifty. I have given very clearly yesterday's video that in case Bank Nifty goes below 36,460, then there will be a breakdown in the downward direction, and above this level, which I have marked for yesterday, 36,560, above this Bank Nifty is going to be positive. Bank Nifty opened slightly exactly flat, and then after that it came down and again tried to go up, but this range is a very important range which Bank Nifty has not been able to cross. This is a very important range for Bank Nifty as of now. It crossed yesterday, then came down. Again tried to go up, again it came down. So by looking at it, what I feel that Bank Nifty is looking weak, even Nifty is looking weak. So let's see what is happening in the Bank Nifty. If we look into the Bank Nifty options, there has been in the money call writing, 36,400 call writing happened. Even there's some call writing happening at 36,300. But if you notice 36,600, 36,700, all this level, the call unwinding, the put unwinding has happened. Means Bank Nifty, in fact, there is huge put writing happening at the level of 36,500. So now what can be expected? If I look at it, what I feel 36,400 is going to be a very strong level for Bank Nifty. Somewhere here, a support and a resistance both are developing. A support and a resistance both are developing at the level of 36,400. Okay, now by looking at the option chain, but looking at the stance of Nifty, it looks weak to me. We can definitely expect a drop till about 36,000. That can be expected in Bank Nifty. Let's see what happened in Nifty. I think Nifty was more weak today. It opened, the way it opened was open equal to high. After open equal to high, it just kept on going down. It just kept on going down. So this is a pretty much indication that Nifty is on a very see here, one shoulder, head, another shoulder. And what happened? This is where it has given a breakout of this head and shoulder pattern. And now we stand at this place, which is 14,490, which this level has been broken. Now, in case this is no trade zone, right? 16,365 to 16,490. There is no trading zone. We got to wait and watch. There could be a gap down opening. There could be a gap up opening. In case gap up opening, if it breaks the level, this level which is 16,490, and it even crosses 16,478, then we can expect a drop in the downward direction. Okay, now I have some stocks on my radar, but let's also have a look at the Nifty's 10 option. But before we proceed, I have a request to you people. Just don't write in the comment box, thank you, good research. Write what you've learned, right? That way you will, kind of reinforce your learning, right? If you write it again and again, you will, it's, when you write something with your hands, you actually make that permanent in your memory. So I want you to write what you have learned. And now let's look into the Nifty. If I look into Nifty, Nifty looks more bearish. Why? Because 61,000 at 16,500, there has been huge call writing happen today in the money call writing, and that indicates that that Nifty is looking very weak. And there's been huge call writing at all the levels, and there has been unwinding at 16,500 level, and support looks to be standing at 12,400, right? Even 16,300, there has been some unwinding. So what I'm expecting, the range for Nifty to be narrow, 16,500 to 16,300. But what I can feel from here by looking at the option chain, that Nifty may expire close to 16,500. So now, having said that, this is the list that I presented yesterday, but none actually gave a breakout. None of the stock, neither the ones which were supposed to give upward movement, nor the one which was supposed to give downward movement. But nevertheless, I presented my research. It didn't move. It's fine. Now I'm going to present my research for tomorrow. The first stock that I have on my radar is SBI card. This is SBI card. It has been almost like range bound, right? It has been range bound. Let's see how it moves tomorrow. But what I can understand by looking at the price, that the price closed above a crucial resistance zone. So that's a promising point. So I'm expecting a big move to come up after 894. A target of 900 can surely be looked into. And after 900, it may stay over there for some time and then start moving further. Then Ultratech Cement. Ultratech Cement, what happened? A huge breakout had come 3 days back. On Friday, a huge breakout had come. Monday was an inside candle. Tuesday is an inside candle. As the market is not positive, Ultratech is waiting for a breakout. In case it goes above 64,500, we will see a target of 16,700, 16,800, or even 7,000 is in the sight. Right? This place, 6,800, 6,900, looks feasible. So that's going to be our target for Ultratech. Then the next stock that I have on my radar is JSW Steel. So guys, whatever you are learning, you have to write it in the comment box, right? That's how the two-way communication will complete. Now, this is JSW Steel. JSW Steel is looking very good to me. I'll tell you the reason behind it. Just have a look at it. This is how it is. This is how it is. And JSW Steel is actually forming a channel. And today it tried to break this high, which is 600. 600 could be a very strong resistance for JSW Steel. If 600 crosses and it stays for at least half an hour, 45 minutes, then we definitely expect 620, 640, 660, 680. Those kind of targets can be seen in JSW Steel. Then the next stock that looks good to me is Ramco Cement. Ramco Cement. So cement sector, because Nifty is not supporting, cement sector is also a little under stress. But the moment Nifty starts supporting, they will all start running. So Ramco Cement looks good above 701. Where this open equal to high candle is, above that we can expect a good move in Ramco Cement. Then these are there's one more stock on my radar for buy side, which is Delta Corp. It is looking good to me. It has broken a very important range, and above 197.3 we can definitely, a target of 200 can definitely be seen. In case it stays for a good amount of time, then 210 and 220 is also in the sight. So Delta Corp is my another stock. So two stocks which look negative to me, right? These are the stocks that you need to keep on your radar for a sell trade. Uh, First one is IEX. Have a look at IEX. It has kind of taken a reversal and below 152, below 152.5, we can expect a good drop in this particular stock. IEX, there's a price rejection from the lower level, broken this barrier, and now if it breaks 152.5, we can expect a windfall in the downward direction. Then the next stock that looks good to me on a sell side is Dr. Reddy's Laboratory. Dr. Reddy's Laboratory today below today's low, right, which is 4195. Below 4195, a target of at least 4100 can be surely expected in Dr. Reddy's. So these were my stocks, and hope you make money and if you've learned something new. So I have given you the reasons of most of the stocks, why I'm particularly selecting them. And a lot of other factors are also there, like I'm checking their option chain, I'm checking their OI built up and everything, which I won't be able to discuss here because it's a pretty long process. But at the same time, I'm hoping that you all make money, because markets sometimes do not react the way you want it to. So yesterday, whatever list I made, it kind of did nothing. But Bajaj Finserv moved very well. So all the best, keep learning, keep earning, and do join me for the live trading. Do not forget that, right? Every day you will be able to, when you go to the channel, you will be able to see the live trading link for tomorrow, 27th July. You will be able to see somewhere, and do join me on my Telegram channel. This is the link given over here, and you can join us through the GoToWebinar as well. So with this, I'll be signing off. Take care, all the best, and see you in the live market tomorrow. Let's make money together.